You knew each other inside, but that's different from when somebody comes to see you when you're no longer inside. True?
That's right, Judge.
It's rather like meeting somebody who's marvellous when they're on holiday. They're great fun, they're splendid. You said, oh, you must come over. How wonderful you are, only to discover you met them on holiday and you were drunk the entire time. Things are rather different on the outside. So, you invited Kieran over, correct?
Yeah, correct.
Everything was fine, no problems. He showed up to your house.
Yeah.
What did he look like, Lewis?
Well, we come, like, wearing, like, not in clothes to, like, go out in, if you know what I mean. So,
well, I don't know. You're going out in clothes and Kieran's going out in clothes. I suspect are two different things.
Yeah, basically, he was wearing, like, cheap clothes, like...
What does that mean? When you say cheap, did you not like what they looked like, or were they just sort of obviously inappropriate for the occasion that you had that evening?
You could say that. We only went pub. Like, we didn't even go clubbing, we just went pub, but obviously...
Well, so what was he wearing that was inappropriate for a pub? I mean, I suspect they let anybody into pubs, don't they? I hear, although I don't want to cast aspersions, that various parts of London, and certainly in Liverpool, they let you in wearing shell suits.
Yeah.
So what was he wearing that you were unhappy with?
I wasn't unhappy with anything he was wearing. Like, he asked me to borrow clothes, because obviously he wasn't happy with what he was wearing, and I said, yeah.
Did you ask to borrow clothes?
A hoodie.
What did you ask to borrow?
It was more than a hoodie.
A hoodie?
A hoodie.
Is that true or untrue?
Untrue, it was more than a hoodie.
What do you say he borrowed?
A pair of jogging bottoms, a hoodie, and my trainers.
Now, the hoodie, what sort of hoodie was it?
Ralph Lauren.
Right, so a rather expensive one.
Yeah, I've got it here.
You provided me with evidence of it. That's not a picture of the actual hoodie, is it?
Yes, that's, well, not the actual hoodie, but, like, the same one.
How much did you pay for it?
£100.
Did you wear the things that he says you wore?
I wore the Ralph hoodie.
So he's telling lies
yeah.
when he says he didn't take the jogging bottoms?
Yes.
Now, you went out for the evening. How was the evening?
It was all right.
Pleasant evening? Good repartee between the two of you? Pleasant memories of
it was good
your
for me,
time
actually.
together?
It was very banging.
It was what?
It was banging for me, actually.
I have no idea what you're saying.
It's really good, really good. It's really good.
You had
I enjoyed myself.
He enjoyed himself.
Yeah.
And the following morning, what happened, Lewis?
I went to my mum's. I was gone for about 3 hours. I left Kieran at mine, and I come back. I come back about 3 hours later. Go in my flat. All my clothes are missing. Like, I told him to leave my clothes that he wore there at mine. They weren't there. I went in my wardrobe, and some other clothes were gone as well.
What was gone?
A low and squat polo top. I've got it here.
You've got a picture of it?
Yes.
You've got a polo shirt?
Yes.
You've got an Adidas jacket missing?
Yeah, correct. Tracksuit top, and a pair of Voy jeans.
A pair of what?
Voy jeans.
What's Voy jeans?
Oh, Voy is a make.
Oh,
V-O-I.
jeans?
Yeah, yeah, jeans,
There's another
yeah.
item of clothing I'm not aware of. Now, the total value, you say, of these clothes is £392.28.
Correct, Judge. It's disgusting. Like, he's meant to be my mate. Do you know what I mean? He does that to me.
Now, here is an allegation that you take all of this stuff and go home, correct? You very simply replied, say, that's a great big fat porky pie. Understood? The one thing that you had is the hoodie, correct?
Yeah.
Lewis, bearing in mind you say Kieran has stolen from you, did you attempt to get the stuff back?
Yeah, I sent him message after message on Facebook, and he's just told me lie after lie after lie.
Let's see the relevant exchanges. Now, as I understand it, you've got a picture, Lewis, of Kieran wearing these clothes, correct?
Correct.
You look rather startled there. Have you seen that picture? Now, you've certainly got the hoodie on, correct? And you seem to have items of clothing which relate to Lewis's claim. Understood?
They're not his.
They're yours.
They're my clothes. I've got receipts.
You've got receipts?
Not on me now, but I can get receipts.
You could get receipts?
Yeah.
I could get receipts.
Yeah, I can get receipts. I'm not a tramp, yeah. So I would not nick somebody's clothes.
For more Judge Rinder cases, click here. And if you've got a legal issue yourself, get in touch with us by clicking over here.